So I'm about to change the rear signal light on my right tail light of my 2005 Mustang. The part number is 4057. Let me get that clear. There you go. 4057. I got these at Canadian Tire. $6. So you will have to remove the taillight itself. So first off, you have to open your trunk, and we'll have to remove this panel, remove the screws from the inside, and we'll have to pull the taillight out. So I've gone ahead and I'm removing this back piece here. That will have to come out. So there's two bolts here you got to take off. It's a 11 size socket, one on the top corner there and one at the bottom there. You got to take those two off. Oh, and then there's one on the top left. So there's three all together, and then you'll be able to pull the whole tail light out. Okay, so I've gone ahead, I got those bolts off. I should just be able to okay, yeah, that just comes out pretty easy there. There you go. And the signal light is this far right, the one here. And you'll just turn it. There you go. It's that simple. Just pull that out. And if you can see that, this one's burnt out. And I'll replace it now with a new one. It's this far right one that I'm replacing for the turn signal. And all you got to do is just turn it. And then when you put it back in, you turn it to your right. Well, I'm just going to place that in. And let's see. Let's see now. There you go. And that's ready to go back in. All right, nice and snug. So before you put the lug nuts on the inside, check, make sure the signal light's working. As you can see, it's working. So I'm going to go ahead, close it all up. And that's how you replace the rear signal light on a 2005 Mustang.